Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with a let's pack and order together video. These are videos that I usually do in my Instagram. I like to pack orders and just do a little video of how I pack them. So I would like to go through that little process with you today so you guys get an idea of how I package your orders. And I also kind of want to break down the pricing, compare it from purchasing on Etsy versus purchasing here on YouTube. This way you get a better idea as to why I charge in two different ways. It will be more expensive on Etsy versus just going straight through me through either Instagram or YouTube, just because we are cutting out that third party of having to pay the extra fees to Etsy. Keep in mind, when I do sell on Etsy, I do have to pay Etsy for using their platform. So I do have to price my glitters accordingly to make sure those fees are covered. And when I sell on YouTube and on Instagram, I don't have to do that. So everything comes out a little bit cheaper. So let me show you what my customer got today. And this here that you're about to see is with shipping, and I think she actually got priority shipping, so it did come out to about 40 bucks for her. And if you were to get something like this on either YouTube or Instagram, this would probably cost you about maybe 20 bucks shipped, if that. So it's a really big price difference. Okay, so let me show you what she got. She got the Holo Key Lime Green tinsel. This is the standard size tinsel. I also have it in micro tinsel, but I did order some new tinsel that should be coming in any day now. And it's actually a little bit smaller than this, but larger than my micro tinsel. And I noticed that people prefer a little bit smaller tinsel. So I have been trying to stick with some specialty sizes. I got the teal here. They got hot pink. These are all 1 ounce bags. A new glitter that I have are the macaroon colored 1mm squares, which are those right there. They're super cute. These look really nice in any mix that you make. These are solvent resistant, cosmetic safe glitters. And then she also requested this in a mix of all the colors, so she got a 1 ounce bag of that. These are all 1 ounce. I can always mix the colors for you if you prefer them mixed. Just let me know. She also got the triangles that I just stacked up on again as well, and she asked for them mixed. These are super light, so you get a really nice size bag. Again, also 1 ounce. These are all 1 ounce right here. And then she got 2 of my very popular mixes. These have been selling since I first started selling glitter about 9 years ago. And that is the Summer Flashback. So I made a new batch of that and 16 candles. She wanted a bag of that. These are 1/2 ounce bags. And then she got 2 5-gram jars of my neon circles. I have more of this coming in, so I should be able to sell these in larger amounts. Right now I only have some 5-gram jars left, but I do plan on selling these in 1/2 ounce and 1 ounce and in 10-gram jars. So she got 2 of these. And then anything in Etsy, if you shop with Etsy and any order over $35, you will get a free pack of glitters, and it comes with 5 glitter mixes, and you get that as a free thank you. So she does have 5 mixes in here for free. Now again, this right here came out to $40 with her priority shipping. And if you were just to buy it directly from me on YouTube and Instagram, this will easily come out to maybe $20 shipped, maybe less, just depending on what you get. Okay, let me show you how I bag everything. I'm always sure to double bag, and I like to use a bag a little bit bigger, and I will just individually pack them like this to make sure there is no spillage at all, no glitter messes, excuse me. I promise you are not purchasing a glitter bomb. So each one will be individually packed for you. These are okay to go like this. I already double bagged these. I don't like to have these sometimes. In the bigger jars, I will put a little sticker here to make sure that the jar doesn't open. And this is why I say I have to sometimes weigh things out to see exactly how much shipping will come out to. Because after I bag them like this, it does weigh a little bit more. These are really thick bags. Oh, this one I use a little bit smaller. Then, of course, keep these bags, reuse the bags. And this way, if any of these bags happen to pop during transit, they will be secured in another bag for you. So this is why I like to do it this way. And like I said, you could keep the bag and use it for glitter mixing. You could make some glitter mixes and use the bag to put your to store your glitter mixes in. So that's how I like to bag everything. And then I will also grab one of these. I don't know what they call these. These are cellophane bags, I think. I'm not sure. But I like to put them in here. I've learned by trial and error since I've been doing this for a little over 9 years. In the beginning, there were little spillages here and there when I first started selling on eBay. And I would feel so bad that they would get stuff. So this just helps everything stay in place. I've learned that the least movement that they have during transit, the nicer they arrive to you. They arrive to you nice, in the same shape I sent them out to you. As long as I can constrict how much they move. And I could keep them like this. They will stay just like that, going to wherever they are going. And this helps them from moving around in the package. These packages get thrown around. You know how USPS can be. They can be rough and they could mishandle your packages. So I make sure to bag it up as nice as I can and everything stays in place. And then of course I will put it in its regular. If you get something even bigger, I always put it in bubble. But if it's something like this, I will go ahead and just stick it in there and it will be just fine. And that's it. It is ready to go. And that is how I pack my orders for everyone. It doesn't matter how much you're spending. You'll always get your packages sent out like this, where I package everything with care to make sure you have no glitter bombs, no glitter spillage, no glitter surprises. Everything that you purchased will be intact for you. So there you go, guys. I hope this gives you an idea of how I package my glitters and how I price everything for you. I know I've had a couple people ask me how come the prices are different from Etsy and then on YouTube, and that is pretty much why. On Etsy I do have to they do charge fees for just listing, for the transactions, and I do have to pay for the labels, whatever it weighs out to or whatever. And on YouTube I could just set my own shipping. I like to help out with shipping sometimes because I know it gets expensive, and I'm able to sell you the glitters for pretty much how much I get them for, which I really love to do. I don't mind doing that for you guys. And yeah, that's just pretty much how my system works. that is it, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in as always. And until next time, bye. Have a good one.